Welcome to Best Choice. The best double coat dog brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner dealing with shedding, especially those with breeds prone to heavy undercoats like Huskies, German Shepherds, or Golden Retrievers, as it promises to tackle loose fur, reduce shedding around your home, and keep your canine companion's coat healthy and tangle-free with its unique design that reaches deep into the fur to remove dead hair without irritating the skin. Number 5. Pat Your Pet Deshedding Brush. Introducing the Pat Your Pet Deshedding Brush, your ultimate solution for pet grooming. This innovative tool is designed to tackle shedding and matting with ease. It features a dual head design with 2 sides for different coat types. Use the 9-teeth side for dematting and the 17-teeth side for efficient deshedding. Our brush is designed with rounded teeth to ensure your pet's skin is protected during grooming. It provides a pain-free experience for your furry friend. This tool is ideal for pets with thick, long fur, but it works wonderfully on all coat types. It's even durable enough for grooming horses. The Easy Grip handle offers a non-slip surface, providing you with a firm and comfortable hold. This allows you to easily remove even the toughest knots. As a special bonus, it comes with a cute paw tag that can be attached to your keychain or your pet's collar. What we like? This tool offers a dual head design, perfect for tackling both dematting and thinning with its 2 different sides. Its skin-safe rounded teeth ensure a pain-free experience for your pet. If you have a pet with thick or long fur, or even multiple pets with different coat types, you should consider this. What people say. The brush has a good grip and is easy to hold. It effectively removes loose undercoat and leaves the dog's fur smooth. The deshedding tool works well on short-haired dogs too. Number 4. Poodle Pet Dematting Fur Rake Comb Brush. Introducing the Poodle Pet Dematting Fur Rake Comb Brush, your go-to solution for pet grooming. It's highly recommended by professionals and pet owners alike for its effectiveness. Designed specifically for pets with long hair, this tool gently removes knots, mats, and tangles. It's the top choice for dematting dogs and cats, ensuring a smooth and comfortable coat. The Easy Grip handle is made from heavy-duty rubber with a textured surface for a secure hold. This design prevents slips and ensures safety during grooming, whether the pet's hair is wet or dry. Equipped with extra-long 2.5-inch stainless steel blades, it effectively reaches deep into thick fur. This helps to quickly break up knots and mats, making it ideal for undercoat brushing. Crafted from top-grade rubber and rust-proof stainless steel, this grooming brush is built to last. It's strong and sturdy enough to handle all your grooming needs for long-haired pets. What we like? Featuring extra-long steel safety blades, this comb is designed to reach deep into thick fur to quickly break up knots and mats. It's highly recommended by professional groomers and show dog trainers. If you're looking for a tool that can handle severe matting and tangles in long-haired pets, this is the one for you. What people say. This comb really gets down to the skin, takes out mats without hurting our dog, and leaves her long coat fluffy. It gets down to the skin, takes out mats without hurting our dog, and leaves her long coat fluffy. This tool, the Dematting Comb Brush for Dogs, allowed me to loosen up the mat without my dogs crying or trying to bite me. Number 3. MalsiPree Large 2-in-1 Deshedding Dog Brush. As the weather gets colder, your pet's dense undercoat can become tangled. This tool helps clear that fluff, keeping their coat healthy and shiny. It also removes loose hair that causes static shocks. Tackle tough undercoats with ease. This tool is designed to make grooming a breeze, no matter the breed. It's perfect for managing shedding and keeping your pet's coat in top condition. Enjoy a hassle-free grooming experience. Designed with smooth edges, it ensures your pet stays comfortable throughout the process. Achieve that silky smooth coat without any fuss. This shedding brush handles it all, from German Shepherds to Labradors. It's perfect for removing loose fur on any breed, regardless of coat length. It's a truly versatile tool for pet owners. Made with durable metal, this large brush is built to last. Its sleek design adds a touch of style to your grooming routine. It makes hair removal a snap. Dive into grooming with your reliable buddy for shedding season. This 2-in-1 tool is a game changer for medium to large double-coated pups. It's the perfect solution for managing shedding. What we like? This brush is a 2-in-1 deshedding tool and undercoat rake, specifically designed to tackle dense winter undercoats. It helps keep your pet's coat healthy, shiny, and free from static shocks. If you have a medium to large double-coated dog and want to manage their undercoat effectively, especially during colder months, this is a great choice. What people say. It gets all the loose hair and dead angles good. The handle is easy to hold and the brush is well made. This 2-in-1 deshedding tool and undercoat rake works wonders on both long and short-haired dogs. Number 2. Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Introducing the Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, designed for ultimate grooming convenience. Keep your pet looking and feeling their best with ease. Tired of struggling to clean your pet brush? Ours features a unique self-cleaning mechanism. With just one push of a button, all the removed hair is gone. Its fine stainless steel bristles with gentle massage particles effectively remove loose fur and dander. It's designed to be gentle on your pet's skin, leaving their coat soft and shiny. Whether you have a dog, cat, or small animal, this brush is perfect for all coat types. From short to long, dense to fine, it handles it all. Grooming for extended periods is now comfortable. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle and lightweight design ensure a fatigue-free experience for you and your pet. Crafted from high-quality, durable TPR material, this brush is built for long-lasting use. Invest in a grooming tool that will serve you and your pet for years to come. What we like. The standout feature here is the self-cleaning mechanism, allowing for effortless hair removal with just a button push. Its gentle massage particles on the bristles ensure a comfortable grooming experience. If you value convenience and a quick, easy cleanup after grooming, and want a lightweight tool for extended use, this is ideal. What people say. The stainless steel teeth have gentle protective caps, making them safe and even soothing, like a mini massage for your pet. It removes a good amount of loose fur and is especially helpful for my Pomeranian Chihuahua mix, who has a thick double coat. The one-click self-cleaning feature is a great bonus. It makes cleanup quick and easy. Number 1. Freshly Bailey Dematting Comb for cats and dogs. Tired of painful knots in your pet's fur? This grooming tool gently tackles tough tangles in medium to long-haired pets, saving you money on professional grooming. Say goodbye to excess fur around your house. Regular use of this tool keeps your pet's coat healthy, reduces shedding, and prevents painful matting. Designed with curved stainless steel teeth, it's gentle on your pet's skin. It works effectively on long-haired cats and medium to long-coated dogs without causing discomfort. Featuring a double-sided design, it's perfect for thick coats. Use the wide teeth for large mats and the narrow teeth for loose fur and shedding. Built with sturdy stainless steel teeth, this tool is long-lasting and easy to clean. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grooming experience for you. What we like. This comb is double-sided, with wide teeth for large mats and narrow teeth for loose fur, making it highly effective for thick coats. It's designed to reduce shedding around your home and prevent painful tangles. If you have a pet prone to mats and tangles, and are looking for a gentle yet effective solution to manage their coat at home, this is a solid option. What people say. This brush works incredibly well at thinning out the winter coat and removing mattis. The first session with this I got more fur cleaned up around her ruff and chest than I can usually get in 4 to 5 brushing sessions over a couple of days. This is a great brush for my long-hair older cat that I am having trouble keeping up with her matting. First time I tried it, took out massive amounts of dead fur and cut right through small to medium-sized tangled knots without any real squawking from my cat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.